Okay, in 1b we started u plus v method problems are. Now let us see, there are 3 problems in this. One by one we'll do. Find the derivative of sin x to the power of log x plus x power sin x. Right? A is given this. You declare this as y. Okay, this is a given. So u is equal to sin x to the power of log x and v is equal to x power sin x. Okay, what is the u? Sin x to the power of log x, v is equal to x power sin x. Now, therefore, y is equal to u plus v, then differentiate with respect to x. So, dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Call it as Roman 1. Now, what is the u? Sin x to the power of log x. Apply logarithm. So, what will happen? Log u is equal to log of sin x to the power of log x. Log u is equal to log x log of sin x. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by u. Okay, log x derivative 1 by x, here log u is there, so 1 by u. This is u, sir, don't get confused with 4. Okay, 1 by u du by dx. Here uv formula, log x derivative into log of sin x plus log of sin x derivative into log x. So 1 by u du by dx, log x derivative 1 by x log of sin x plus log sin x derivative 1 by sin x, again chain rules are d by dx of sin x. We have to apply log chain rule, log sin x. So 1 by u du by dx is equal to log of sin x by x plus, here so derivative of this is cos x, sir, cos x, and in the bracket log x is there, right? So cross multiply u into log of sin x by x plus cos by sin cot. Wherever is possible you write, if it is not possible leave it. Okay, cos by sin is cot. Therefore du by dx, what is the u, sir? What is the u? Sin x to the power of log x in the bracket by x plus cot x into log x is 1. So I applied logarithm, I have found out uv formula. So we have to find out for v, copy up to here. Okay. Next, we have found out only u, sir, we have to find out for v. What is the v? X power sin x. Again, apply log. So, log v is equal to sin x. Therefore, log v is equal to sin x into log x. Again differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by v dv by dx sin x derivative into log x plus log x derivative into sin x. So 1 by v dv by dx sin x derivative cos x into log x and log x derivative 1 by x. There is not much here. Directly we are getting, right? Now so what will happen? Cross multiply v into cos x into log x plus sin x by x. So dv by dx, what is v, sir? Plus you call it as Roman second one. So put in 1. What meant by this? dy by dx. First you have to write this sin x to the power of log x in the bracket log sin x. This also carries the marks, sir. Exam lo final exam lo marks istar sir. Ini compulsory ga రాయకపోతే మార్క్స్ డిడక్ట్ అవుతాయి. ఇది 7 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్. ప్లస్ వాట్ ఈస్ సెకండ్ వన్ వి గాట్ x power sin x cos x into log x plus sin x by x. This is a dy by dx. Okay. So u plus v method. This is called u plus v method. So you have to be thorough with this method, sir. Please go through the solution properly, sir. Right? Next problem. Y is equal to sin x to the power of x plus x power sin x. Again u is equal to sin x to the power of x, v is equal to x power sin x, y is equal to u plus v. Differentiate with respect to x. Right? Same steps are Roman 1. Now what is a u? Sin x to the power of x. Apply logarithm. So what will happen? Log u is equal to log of sin x to the power of x. Okay. So what will happen? Log u is equal to x into log sin x. Differentiate with respect to x 1 by u into du by dx, x derivative into log sin x plus log sin x derivative into x. So 1 by u du by x derivative is 1 log sin x plus log sin x derivative 1 by sin x, chain rule will come, sir, whenever bracket is there, into x. Therefore I am writing directly u into log of sin x plus derivative of sin x is cos x into cos x into x. So is equal to u. U is what, sir? Sin x to the power of x plus cos x by sin x cot x. Okay. So you call it as 1, Roman 1, first one. Okay, this is Roman 1, this is 1, sir. Okay, same procedure, observe here. Okay, again we have to find for V. Okay, now what is a V? V is x power sin x, apply logarithm. So, sin x log x. Okay. So, 1 by V dV by dx, sin x derivative into log x derivative into sin x. Sin x derivative cos x into log x, 1 by x into sin x. Again cross multiplication. V into what will happen? Cos x into log x plus sin x by x. So what is the V? X power sin x, cos x into log x plus sin x by x. You call it as 2. So put in Roman 1 means what? First du by dx, dy by dx, sin x to the power of x into log of sin x plus cot x into x plus this one cos x into log x sin x by x. So this is the answer, right? Please understand the method. Okay, we are applying u plus v concept and finding derivative. Okay, let us see one more problem. Okay, there is one more problem in this. Y is equal to x power x. Okay, understand here. Sometimes he will not give you. You will ask to find derivative. Y and call sir. He will not give you y is equal to an here sir. Simply find the derivative of x power x plus cot x to the power of x. He will give you. So you have to assume this as y. So u is equal to what sir? X power x. V is equal to cot x to the power of x. Right? So y is equal to u plus v. Okay, same procedure, Roman 1. Now what is the u? X power x. Apply log. Log u is equal to log of x power x, x log x. Right? Now differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by u du by dx, x derivative into log x derivative into x. So observe here, same procedure, x derivative 1 into log x derivative 1 by x into x. Therefore du by dx is equal to u into log x, x will get cancelled 1. So du by dx is equal to x power x log x plus 1. This is 1. Again what is this v sir? Cot x to the power of x. Observe here. Apply logarithm. Log v is equal to log of cot x to the power of x. Cot x. Right? So differentiate with respect to x. So 1 by v dv by dx, uv formula, x derivative into log of cot x plus log of cot x derivative into x, right? Therefore is equal to x derivative 1 log of cot x plus log cot x derivative 1 by cot x, again chain rule, cot x every time, observe here, into x, I am putting in a bracket. So v 1 by v into dv by dx log of cot x plus 1 by cot x into cot x derivative minus cosecant square x into x. Everything you should know the derivative, sir. So dv by dx is equal to v into log of cot x, this minus sign, minus cosecant square x by cot x into x, right? What is the v? V is what, sir? Here, cot x to the power of x. So log of cot x minus cosecant square x by cot x into x, right? Therefore this is the second equation. Therefore put in Roman 1, dy by dx is equal to, first we have to write this, x power x log x plus 1 plus cot x to the power of x in the bracket log of cot x minus cosecant square x by cot x into x. Okay, please remember these models are very important. Okay, there are 2-3 problems are there, okay, in this, and one is logarithmic application, one more problem is there. With that this chapter will be over, but you have to remember the formulas. Okay, we'll continue in the next video.